Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix DiskPart virtual disk service error, the operation timed out on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing this DiskPart virtual disk service error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here CMD. Then right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Here you know type the command DiskPart, then hit enter. After that type here rescan. After typing this rescan, then hit enter again. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix DiskPart virtual disk service error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.